Hi, this is Nathan with ProLine range hoods, and today I'm going to talk to you about the top 4 things you should know before buying a cast iron skillet. Can you use soap to clean a cast iron skillet? The short answer is yes, you can. A small amount of dish soap will do just fine. However, if you use a large amount, you might scrape off the seasoning off of your cast iron pan, which you can easily re-season later. Just don't forget to dry it off completely with a paper towel. What size skillet should I buy? If you're cooking for yourself, an 8-inch is perfect. If you're cooking for 2 people, a 10-inch works well. If you're cooking for 4 people, a 12-inch is great. And if you're cooking for a large party, a 15-inch is the way to go. Do I need an expensive cast iron? There's not too much difference in how they are produced today. The biggest difference is pre-seasoned or not pre-seasoned. If you're looking for a recommendation, an affordable and quality would be Lodge. Should I buy a cast iron skillet? I like to use my cast iron for the heat retention and my style of cooking. Although there are many benefits to having a cast iron skillet, there's a lot of things to keep in mind of, like keeping it clean and maintaining it. Just keep it rust-free and well seasoned. Hopefully this helps you on deciding on buying a cast iron skillet. If you have any more questions, leave them in the comments below, and thanks for watching.